is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And we're tracking some weather changes here in the short term in southern Colorado. Today, though, is still nice and mild, above average temperatures in both the Springs and Pueblo. Back into the 50s in downtown Colorado Springs and 52, the daytime high in Pueblo. And we've talked about the dry conditions since mid-December, but what about how warm it's been? It's been unseasonably warm here in southern Colorado so far this month. The average high above 47 in the Springs and above 52 in Pueblo. And just how far above average are we talking about through 20 days of the month? Well, we're about 4 degrees above average in the Springs and more than 5 in Pueblo. And we've seen 7 days at or above 50 degrees in the Springs and 13 days at or above 50 in Pueblo. And a few of those days have even been at or above 60 in the Pueblo area. So Mother Nature not really delivering us the traditional wintry weather we see this time of the year. We'll take it. A little break's nice. 35 right now in Monument, 36 in the Springs, and 40 in Pueblo. Now we are tracking some changes to the forecast. You can see some snow moving towards Montrose and Durango tonight. And even though the model really shows some moisture moving through the I-25 corridor and the plains on Tuesday, this is well overdone. A lot of this will be in the mid and upper levels. You'll see the clouds in Severga, but most of that will evaporate before it hits the ground. Best chances tomorrow will be out in the mountain areas, especially the San Juans, and down south. Could see a little bit of light rain or snow for the Raton Mesa and maybe some light drizzle or sprinkles out towards southeastern parts of the state. Otherwise, as we make our way into the afternoon hours tomorrow, well, we're going to see a lot of cloud cover. Temperatures are going to be again above average, a little cooler than today because of the clouds, but we should be back into the upper 40s in the Springs and looking at some lower 50s out towards Pueblo and most of the plains. So here's how the forecast looks. We're dropping down to around 23 degrees in Pueblo by the morning, 44 at noon there, 44 degrees at noon in the Springs. Here's that first storm we just talked about moving out of California tonight. There's a second one that follows it up. We thought this one had a better chance of bringing us some snow throughout the weekend. We were talking about this, but the latest models keep it well north of us. So I think that snow, again, stays mostly in the mountains with little to no accumulation for areas around the Pikes Peak region out east into the plains. So lows tonight down to 25 in Woodland Park, 28 Monument, 23 expected in Pueblo. Highs tomorrow will be a little cooler than today, just a touch cooler with temperatures running into the 50s around Pueblo. We'll see some 50s as well out east into the plains. Temperatures in the upper 40s in the Springs. And over the next 7 days in the Springs, we have highs here right around 50 on Wednesday, a chance of a flurry. That's going to be about it. So not enough snow to make a snowman, that's for sure. 43 on Thursday and 46 on Friday. For Pueblo, I've removed the chance of snow in your forecast. Temperatures in the 50s through Wednesday, down to the 40s on Thursday, but back up to near 60 by Sunday. Canyon City will see temperatures here in the 50s, maybe an isolated shower or snow shower Wednesday night. Breezy conditions on Thursday. And for Woodland Park, temperatures here in the mid to low 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, with some light snow possible as we head towards the middle of the week and continuing into Thursday morning. Robin, Elizabeth?